so nice.
Yes, so what are we gonna do today?
Well, we're gonna film a first impression of you driving the G-Wagon.
Yes.
So let's head on.
Let's go. There we go. Oh, it starts really nice.
Yeah.
All right, it's got some torque. Oh my god, it's very hard to steer.
Yeah.
It feels a lot like driving a tractor right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it is a tractor, that's for sure.
Oh Jesus. Oh, the brakes are pretty good actually.
Yeah. Very good brakes.
Okay, we're in third. Oh my god, it's like driving a tractor. Now we're doing 70 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the steering is so sketchy. This is pedal to the metal. Now we're doing 80. Oh my god, I don't know if I want to do more. This is scary. Okay, I'll try a little bit more. We're going 85 right now. No,
You can't?
I can't. I'm so scared right now. Jesus, the steering is like, you have so much free play.
Yeah. It's very bizarre.
This is funny. So how does this one drive compared to your old G-Wagon?
This one is a little bit more rough, but otherwise it's quite similar.
It was funny yesterday when we drove as well, and you ended up behind the tractor, and I could just, because I was in my BMW, and I could just drive past the tractor, but you had to wait for so long. This car is silly.
I would say that was a success, huh?
Yeah, we haven't crashed yet.
Yeah. So, Emily, what do you think about my car?
About your tractor, it has very cute window wipers.
Yes.
Useless, but very cute.
But what do you think? Do you think it was a good trade? Trading my SLC for my G-Wagon? For the G-Wagon?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Honest opinion?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm sure.
How does it ride?
It's fun. It's bumpy, but it's you are very happy, so I'm happy.
Oh, thank you. Well, do you want to try to drive the G-Wagon? No. No?
So, Philip, what is your first impression?
My first impression of the car, I was quite scared driving it because it was very strange going from the SLC over to the G-Wagon. Getting back behind the wheel of a G-Wagon is quite a task compared to regular cars. Otherwise, I really enjoy this car. It fits really to my personality. I always love G-Wagons, and I especially always love the older type of G-Wagons. I really enjoy this car. And I really enjoy the driving experience. It's quite rough to drive. However, it's also very much a thing to enjoy. If you really enjoy G-Wagon and you enjoy driving, the feeling driving an old G-Wagon is something very of its own. It's an acquired taste, and that taste acquires me.